Hello, guys. How are you all doing today? This is an emergency live stream. I'm not gonna show my face because I'm not in. I didn't plan to do this live, so I'm not in a good condition to show my face. So I just gonna do this without showing my face. I know it's not the usual show, but I'm doing this because I want you guys to understand the power of TA, the power to be able to spot coins before the pump, and the power to be able to switch your 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 asset or your funds from one asset to another asset. Like if you're already in profit right now, buying some of these coins, that some of them have pumped already, and there are still some coins that are still yet to pump, right? And most of the times we see money flow from top cap to lower cap, mid cap, then lower cap. It's all about liquidity, and we have seen mostly like it began with meme coins, AI coins. After Ethereum, Bitcoin made a huge move. We saw AI coins. Now we are seeing blockchain, like L1s are doing well. Now L1s are doing well. Very soon we're gonna start seeing gaming. So most of the coins I want to share with you right now are gonna be mostly gaming coins, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I think they're gonna pump. Now I'm gonna show you guys some couple of charts because I want, like, what I do here is not only to show you guys something, but to also show you guys how you can get out from the coins I'm gonna share with you. So the first coin I have here is Sweat. I'm gonna tell you guys why I think this one's gonna. You can buy. By the way, you can buy this coin from Bybit. The links are found below this video. If you don't yet have Bybit, you can use my affiliate link to buy this coin on Bybit. Now, this is a daily time frame for Sweat coin, and you can see. uh, Look at this, guys. All right. Is now preparing, like the market makers are preparing to move this coin huge to the upside. You see, they have been building this contract here, and now they're back there. So the next thing is simple. When the market is, like, I don't know, maybe tomorrow we might see some sort of dips, like 20%, 30% for most of these coins, but some coins are gonna pop like this one. You see, the next daily candle is already forming, and the way I trade this is simple. Look at this. Let me show you guys something here. You can see the 5-day moving average have crisscrossed all of these moving averages, and they're above the alpha trend, and now they are crossing. Look, they are crossing the 50-day moving average. So this next candle can easily take price down here a little bit, then boom to the upside, and the target should be the 200-day moving average. It's simple. um you can bring in the fib tool. you know it's simple. You see. So that should be the target. This moving averages, and usually I say to myself, like, whenever I see the alpha trend print a buy signal, I'm targeting the next sell, the previous sell signal before the buy signal. So if you want to catch our profit, is it okay? You see, they even show us here where they are going to. You see, they already show us here. So you can see a huge spike from here. You see, from here we saw this spike, this zone. So when price get back there, that price is here currently, we're gonna see a huge spike again to the upside towards where we have the sell signal. And how many percent that's gonna be? Let's see. About, yeah, 50%. This is doable. Now, if we go to crypto bubbles and you search for Sweat, you see that Sweat coin hasn't yet done anything. Has done anything. If you look at, you see, it hasn't done anything yet, and the rank is this. So I think it's gonna pump next. And let's get to the next coin. The next coin that I'm looking at, that I think is gonna pump next, is this gaming coin called Me. You can buy this one on Binance, or OKX, or Me USD. This is a gaming coin, and we haven't yet seen gaming do so well. So you can see the almost the same structure, but this one now has given us that signal. You can see, it that's already left, like you see, that's already broken structure here on this time frame. So this next daily candle should pump price. It should pump price. Or if we gonna see some sort of dip in the market, um, this coin might do something like this. It will be short, but not like it's gonna do something like this. You can come a little bit down here, hit this moving average, then boom to the upside. So that is gonna happen, but they have already shown us that they are going. And if we look back then in conference, you see that looking at previous price action, let me go to the you see, looking at previous price action, you see that um oh boy, look, you see, you see, we are aligning at a key area here, you see, look. So this candle you can this movement here, we can see price come back a little bit down here and recover half of this vector. So don't panic if you see deep like there. Don't panic. Know that there's gonna be some sort of something like this. You know, then boom, the target is here. This 800-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame. So if you have trading view, you can plug all of these moving averages. You can plug in the 800-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, because if you look at on the 4 hours time frame, you can cash out profit on the 800-day moving average, but on the daily time frame, you look at more the 200-day moving average. But in this case, I made it simple. I bring in my FIP2. I'm targeting the 4.5, 4.35. I just put the take profit at $4 for me. So from here, I'm taking profit around $4 because my FIP to align here. Even if I have to bring the FIP to from this place here, it's not taking me still to $4 around the golden pocket. So I'm looking at that price point to be where I'm expecting to cash out that profit from. This one, this is me USDT. You can get this one on on Binance. If you don't yet have Binance or on Bybit, then you can use my affiliate link at the description of this video. The next one I want us to look at here is S-Fund. S-Fund. This also is a gaming. It's a gaming coin. You can get this one on Bybit too. So you can see this one has already like shown us that it's about to move. You see everything has crossed, but it hasn't yet done anything like pair, like make the huge move. But of course you can see it has printed this first candle here, and this is a sign, a signal that we are going to kiss either of these moving averages. But if you fall down to the 4 hours time frame, still again you see it already hit this moving average here, so it's gonna go back there. Or the worst case scenario, where you're gonna see this coin come down like this, then move to the upside. So either situation or either condition that you find yourself in, the upside for this coin is really great, because if you look at go to just look at the rank right now as fun, you see that's solidify, you see the rank in the space, and you see that it hasn't yet done anything like sustainable yet. As fun, you know why I didn't click. So you see, for the month it's up only 14%, for the week only 8%. So it's still yet to do well, and it's in the range of 500. The 500 coin in the space is around my range. Let's look at the next one here, and that I think is gonna do somehow great. Is Trump coin. Let me show you guys something about Trump coin that I think most of you don't understand. You see, Trump coin this is what it has done for the month. It's done 43%, for the week this amount and this. So some people might be thinking, okay, Trump coin is done, but now let me show you guys a chart of Trump coin, so you see what I'm trying to say here. So if you look at Trump USDT, it's really on. Look at this on Binance. You see, let me take off this chart. This anyway, let me allow this golden pocket. You see, okay. Where are we right now with Trump? We're around the golden pocket. Meaning, if we stay around the golden pocket, then the next move is gonna be great. Now let me show you guys something that I'm looking at here for Trump coin. So let me take off this flip two here. Oh boy. Okay. So the chart is looks messy, but now look at this. Okay. So we saw this huge move to the upside first, you know, then look at this pullback, price held structure, you know. Now, what do you think will happen? The next move will break structure. Where is the next high? The next high is around this $24, you know. And if you look at the percentage, look at the price right now. Look at where price left. You know, price went right up to this. So the worst case scenario, we can target this area here this around 40 or $50. You know, I'm saying the worst case scenario. The best case scenario, we can target this $50, or we can go back right up to $100. You know, there's lots of liquidity here for Trump coin. So if I zoom, you know, you're gonna see that. Look at where we are right now. Price left this zone here. This was the pivot point. This area here was a pivot, like point of control. So even if we have to see some sort of movement downward, it's gonna take us to gonna bounce here, but take us back up. And now you're seeing the alpha trend is pointing now up, meaning this move is full with volume. Okay, so we are gonna look at this target here, this one here, and this one up here. So let's try to see if we can look at another chart for Trump coin. Let's see which other one we bring here. From USDT. Let's see. Let's try Mexic Global. Okay, it's similar. You can see it's similar. I already even marked this here. I marked this here a long time ago. You can see I marked this. I did analysis here, and I already marked the zone. So this was the pivot point. Now price retrace and health structure. You can see here price health structure, and now we are gonna go and target the next high. Yeah, which is gonna be around 24. So give or take, we have to go to $24. And if we break this zone, guys, are going bananas right up there. So Trump coin is guys, I'm already holding all of these coins. Now the next coin that I have here is APT, Aptos. Aptos is just getting started to run. You know, you see, price has already left, or we already missed some of this move here. Yeah, this move. So Aptos should be a long play because this is this is the zone that we should expect price to break. And if price break this zone, if we see price break the zone above, then the next target that we're gonna see price go to is this other zone here. You know, this other zone here. And if price is gonna leave this other zone, price is gonna go to this other zone here. You know, so you can look at these key areas here. If you are trading or you wanna buy this coin, you can even do you can place a trade, guys. Don't be scared. Like if you wanna place a trade right now on any exchange, like the trade I share in the group, I took the trade on Bitronix. If you wanna trade with me on Bitronix, then you have to join Bitronix. I already told you guys that if you wanna be taking trades with me on Bitronix, you have to join Bitronix. You have to use my link to join Bitronix. Then you can trade with me. I can share with you some of those trades. But now, don't be scared to put your stop loss below here for APT. Don't be scared. Price is not going to come here again. This is a stopping volume candle. This is a stop hunt. This was the market makers building contract to push price to the upside. So price is not going to come there. So put your stop loss there. You know, and if you look at now APT from where we are, even if we see some sort of retracement, price will end here. It will not go down. It will not come here because they've already the big players, the banks, you know, all the institutions, they've already built their contract here. So anyone who didn't enter here, you know, um, can enter here, you know. But if you enter here, put your stop loss here, and you can trade this with 3x, 2x. Don't use high leverage. 2x, 3x max. Don't use high leverage. I am using high leverage like 10. My max leverage is 10x. It's because I have some experience and I know what I'm doing, right? But if say you don't see understand how to use leverage, you know, just stay with two or three leverage, then you take the right up there. You see, the alpha train has printed a buy signal twice, meaning this should be the major target. Yeah, you know. So you can take the ride gradually. This is a top coin in the space. APT. Don't panic. Allow the coin to, like, it's still early. If you look at some meme coins already, you see, okay, I shared this coin. You see, I told you guys that the market is gonna dump a little bit. It's already happening. It's like for bread coin, it's gonna dump. It's already here. It's gonna dump a little bit. Um, more coin. Let's see. Yeah, more coin is gonna pump a little bit, but it's from here in my dump too. So you see, these coins have already gone towards that key areas, but they are still gonna go straight up there. This is the main target. Anything here is gonna be short. Like retracement a little bit, boom, up there. So if you are buying either of these coins right now that I shared with you, these ones are already getting there. They are like, let me just bring it this back to, yeah, let me see. Yes, you see, APT hasn't yet gotten here. It's still getting there, even here. So it still has a long way to go. But these other coins, they are the ones that are gonna retrace. Like, they will not recover easily. APT is not recover easily to the upside. And now we are seeing a new day forming, and most of these coins are gonna dump today. Why? Because the of like normally, I mean, tomorrow Sunday, yeah, before the Asia Open, most of these coins are gonna dump really hard. Trust me. You see some of them are already dumping. So let me see if I have the last one here. Um, mm, the last two I have here is, I mean, these ones are, they are tricky and they are risky, but they're gonna give you good gains. So this is Neon USDT. You can get this one on Bybit too. So you can buy this one spot. You see, this one, it hasn't yet done anything, but it's still, they are still building contract. Money is gonna flow to this one. You see, in the past, let's look at what has happened. What happened in the past? You see, in the past, this coin pumped. You see, it pumped, and ever since, price has been moving sideways until price came back to this zone. You see, and so now the next thing price should do is flip back and at least attempt at least half of this, maybe not all, but half of this move from the top to the bottom. Like, if bringing the flip to, you can say half. So half should not take you to around $1.5 for this coin. So this should be doable. This pump, if you see it start pumping, then this should be the target here. Or if it's so bullish, then you kind of target the golden pocket. So this one is risky. The reason I mentioned that is risky is because it hasn't yet printed, like, there is no signal yet. That's printed this buy signal. But if I zoom, right, oh, okay, yeah, now it's okay. Now I see this 5-day moving average has flipped the 13-day moving average. So this should we should see it bounce anytime from now. So I'm gonna buy. I didn't actually buy this one yet because I didn't see this crisscross. I'm gonna buy this one immediately after the show, because this candle, this new daily candle, might take price straight away to the moon. The next one I have here is PRQ. PRQ. This one you can get it also on OKX. Yeah, and yeah, you can get it on OKX. Now this one is really risky. Like, it's also risky because if you see, look at the structure, it's only now that we are seeing these vector candles, right? And um this hasn't yet flipped each other. You see, this moment I wish I wouldn't just flip each other. So usually I wait for this 5-day to flip the 13-day moving average from on the daily time frame, before I start looking for buys. And also, price is still below the alpha trend. So this is what I'm gonna be looking, keeping my eyes on this one. I want to see price flip up, then stay above the alpha trend, and this one to flip this other one. So that's something I'm looking at. And the last coin, I almost forget this one, ICP. ICP hasn't yet pumped, right? He hasn't yet done anything. Oh, I didn't see this. Okay, yeah, ICP has done something, but yeah, but based on what we mentioned, they're still gonna get here, at least somewhere here. So there's still some sort of upside from here. Let's see. Okay, about 30%. Yeah, yeah, because I think where we are right now, you see, mark structure. So if we are to see price do something, price is gonna just end here. Price cannot go below this, at least not yet, because APT hasn't yet done anything. So if we see any drop for APT, it's gonna be down here to bounce from this moving average. You can see, yeah, fall down for the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you see it aligns with pullback. So maybe we're gonna see a pullback here, something like this, then boom to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so these are the coins I think are gonna do well soon. Um, happy birthday, happy birthday to today is not my birthday. All right, guys. That's it. Hopefully you got some value. Most of these coins are gonna pump. You know what? Because they haven't yet pumped. They have not yet reached their zones, the zones that they should be pumping. And as I mentioned, um we have seen AI, we have seen meme coins. Now we are seeing blockchain projects. Mostly L1s they are pumping. Also, one lakh coin I you guys should look at also is Ton. Ton is among the top coins, but Ton hasn't yet pumped. You see, Ton is still yet to get there. This one is even a good buy. You see, Ton is still yet to get there. So get some Ton if you must. You know, yeah. So you have something to go with. You know, uh, all right, guys. See you the next one. Bye bye. Ciao. At least like the video, like the stream. If say you got some value there, like the stream. If you are joining us right now, you can go and watch it after. You can go and watch from the beginning. All right. Bye bye. Ciao.